Continuous fence, that is ultimately what got us in the business of manufacturing compared to installation work. We were hired by a gentleman who actually purchased some continuous fence from I think the Midwest, out of state, and we installed them, and it was seriously, we've installed a ton of different fencing, and this was by far the fastest fence we've ever installed. And it was durable too.
And he had 20, 30 big mama Angus cows that he used this fencing for, so it was definitely, you had to have some good fencing to hold those cows in. 1,200 to 1,500 pound mama heifers with their babies. Great product. But yeah, that ultimately, at that point, we said we need to give this to all of our customers. We just have to make this easily accessible for everyone here in Arizona or throughout the country to be able to build fence affordably and easy.
Yeah, that job specifically, I believe it was 300 or 400 feet of fence. And we went through and set the post one day, and then we hanged the panels the next day. It was about 2 half days, and we had 300 feet of fence up. So in, say 8 hours, we had that job completed. So it's an awesome time saver, so that you can enjoy your product, enjoy your livestock, enjoy your families. There's a gentleman that came into the office, and I love to tell this story. He came in to pick up some hardware because he had picked up, on a Friday, he picked up 40 continuous fence panels. And he said he already had the post set, but he said by Monday, he had all 40 of them up by himself. So that's 800 feet of linear feet of fence that he put up in a weekend by himself.
So great question though that some of you might ask is, can I do this by myself? Or how many people does it take to install this?
We have tons of clients who just do this by themselves. It's usually best with 2 people because the panels are so long. But if you know how to do this, or if you've done something like this before, you could easily do this by yourself. You just need something to leverage these panels, whether it's putting a block underneath one side and helping you start the other side, or something to hang off your post to keep these panels up. But you could definitely do this by yourself, or if you have some help, you can never go wrong with good help.
At least 2 people, if just to make it a little bit easier, is a great starting point. So, hey guys, if you like what you're seeing in these videos, be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks. This was actually the first products that they purchased from us and installed for these. I think they're 40 by 40 pins. So you can see here how our continuous fence matches up with our economy panels. These are all made out of 1 1/4" 14 gauge steel, still that heavy duty gauge steel. These panels are 20 feet long. What's nice is one end has a female end and one end has a male end, to where they literally slide into each other, allowing you to continue along your posts and easily attach them to your post to make fencing super easy and go as long as you really need to.
So as you see here, this seam where the panels connect are not welded. Here on the application that they provided, they did actually weld these panels directly to these posts. But what's nice about this continuous fence is that's not required. These panels require no welding if you don't want to. So we have a bracket system that goes right around these rails. It's a C bracket. And then you could just put some self-tapping screws, top and bottom. We recommend every rail, and it really secures these panels. So an awesome way. If you're not a welder, easy way to put up fence, and durable fence for you and your animals.
With post options, you're not limited to just metal posts. You can actually do metal or wood. We have options where we have the same clips that you can use lags to screw into wood, so you can use wood, railroad ties, or metal, round or square. As you can see here, they use square, but we use a lot of round for our posts for our continuous fence. So there's a lot of different applications you can use for this fencing, which makes it super easy for you, the customer, to install it quickly, easily, and affordably, because you're saving time from having an installer. A lot of people ask how our corners work on continuous fence. Now here you can see basically they just run them long and butt them in to make that corner on the outside. And typically we have caps that you can use to plug those holes for extra safety. But corners are really simple, nothing to worry about. You just can either weld or use clips just like you would on a standard post, and then run it a little long to match up with the other side of the continuous fence.